Hi everyone, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to extract the first half of a string, but only if the string has an even length. The exercise is a great way to practice working with string methods and conditional logic in JavaScript. Let's dive right in. Our task is simple. Check if a string has an even length. If it does, we extract the first half. Otherwise, we leave it unchanged. This logic helps us work efficiently with strings based on their length. Let's see how to implement it. Here's the function, first half. First, we check if the string's length is even using the modulus operator. If it is, we extract the first half using the slice method. Otherwise, we return the string as is. Let's break it down step by step. The process is straightforward. First, we confirm if the string length is even. If it is, we extract the first half using the slice method, which starts at the beginning and ends at the halfway point. If the string length is odd, we skip the extraction and return the input as is. Let's look at an example. The input string is Python, which has an even length of 6. The function extracts the first 3 characters using slice and returns pyt. Simple and effective. Here's another example. The input is JavaScript with an even length of 10. The function extracts the first 5 characters JavaS and returns that as the result. This shows how the method works for longer strings. Finally, let's consider an edge case. The input string PHP has an odd length of 3. Since it doesn't meet the even length condition, the function returns the original string PHP unchanged. Here is a cleaner ES6 version. Using arrow functions and ternary operator, we streamline the code to a single line. The logic remains the same, but the syntax is more concise, perfect for modern JavaScript development. To summarize, this program checks if a string has an even length. If it does, we extract the first half using slice. Otherwise, we return the original string. With ES6 syntax, we make the function cleaner and more concise. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I will see you in the next one.